Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, your one and only chef. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please enda tu pale chini, finya that thumb, subscribe, watch, like, comment, tap on the notification button so that in case I upload my video, you'll be the first person to watch. And by the way guys, najua nimepotea, mambo imekuwa mengi, but I'm back guys. And so today I will be showing you the perfect way to cook beef sausages for breakfast. Be with me guys, tupike pamoja. And by the way guys, go try that recipe of mine. Jaribu tu alafu niambie pale kwa comment section. Imekuwa aje? Kama imekuramba tutarudia tu. Asanteni. First we're gonna start by boiling the sausages. Place in your sausages, and in this step is very crucial because we're gonna blanch the sausages. Make sure the sausages are fully immersed in the water. We are going to skimmer and remove the sausages from the water. To wait for around a minute so that excess moisture can escape and sausages can cool a little bit. Use a frying pan over a medium flame and add cooking oil. Don't overcook the sausages. Once ready and really looking gorgeous like this, we're gonna transfer them to a plate. This is the result. I'm done preparing my sausages for breakfast. Actually, it's a beef sausage. Beef sausages, these ones. Very sweet, very sweet. Guys, you can hire me. Nikuje nikupikie. Utaenjoy chakula yangu by the way. Very sweet. Ni tamu sana. So guys, just call me. Namba yangu iko hapo kwa bio. Call me, niite nikupikie, ina hotel, hata kwa nyumba. Yeah. Nitakucharge pesa kidogo. See you on the next video guys. And I think the next video I'm going to do samosa. Let's try samosa. Asanteni sana. Thanks for watching, sharing, subscribing, tapping on the notification button, commenting. Yeah, asanteni sana. Nawapenda sana wote. Bye. Hii ndio look ya leo. Niliamua nivae nguo za kulala. And this is the hairstyle actually. Hii ndio style yangu. Nimeamua tu kukaa hivi. Sitaki stress. Bye guys. I love you all.